Good morning, dear students. Today the topic is okay. We have to identify the velocities of the link, velocities of the links for a 4-bar chain mechanism. For a 4-bar chain mechanism by instantaneous center method. So now we have to see the earlier problem. So that is our slider crank chain mechanism. So when they have mentioned their type of mechanism, so just simply you will define the particular type of mechanism, and you should mention it. You should include the input parameters. So that is the input data. So that is the link lengths. They are also mentioned their link lengths and angular velocities. So those all are taken to be considered here. Later, you may also find out our number of instantaneous centers. So then you will find out the unknown of our velocities. So with the help of these ratios, angular velocity ratios. Just observe the problem. Problem number 13. So in a 4-bar chain mechanism, just all of you read the problem. In a 4-bar chain, ABCD, AD is fixed and 50 centimeter, 15 centimeter long. And 15 centimeter long. The crank AB is 4 centimeter long and rotates at 120 RPM clockwise. Rotates at 120 RPM clockwise. While the link CD 8 centimeter, link CD 8 centimeter above to be BC and AD are of equal length. BC and AD are equal length. Find the angular velocity of link CD when angle BAD equals to 60 degrees. When angle BAD equals to 60 degrees. BAD equals to 60 degrees. So just read the problem, and first you have to draw the configuration diagram or space diagram. Just what are the values are given? Just all of you write it here. So that is our AD is fixed and 15 centimeter long. 15 centimeter long is there. So 15 centimeter length is there AD, and AB, crank AB is 4 centimeter. Crank AB is 4 centimeter long and rotates at 120 RPM. And rotates at 120 RPM. Next, link CD. Link CD is how much? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So then first you have to construct the particular polygon. Why? Because it seems to be a polygon, 4-bar cyclic chain. So it is also seems to be one trapezium. So polygon. So one polygon is there. So from the given database, so that is the angle BAD is also there. 60 degrees angle is there. First, you have to draw the one horizontal line, and you may also set up the our AD. So in a horizontal line, first set up the AD. So that AD is the our 15 centimeter length. So before going to place it the that AD value, just take the scale. So that scale value is just take the scale. So that scale is uh, 2 centimeter. It is convenient to draw in our notebook. 2 centimeters equals to 1 centimeter. 2 centimeters equals to 1 centimeter. So that means we have to reducing the our size, original size. That is the our 2 centimeter equals to 2 cm. Scale 2 cm equals to 1 cm. So that is the scale. Just we have to take the scale. Later, so AD means 15 centimeter. Just you have to draw the one straight line, one horizontal line, and you may also place it the our AD. So that AD length is how much? So when we take the scale, so that length is the original length is the 15 centimeter, but from the scale, it may also consider as the 7.5 centimeters. 7.5 centimeters. Okay. So you have to identify the our 7.5 centimeter. So later, when we have to place it the our AD, so then now we are going to draw the AB line crank. So but the crank will also have some inclination with the AD. So that inclination is that angle is there, PAD equals to 60 degrees. So that angle, just you may also place it the angle. Just place it the angle. So that angle is the 60 degrees. Okay, just take the protractor and and place it the our 60 degrees inclination with the length of 2 centimeter. Why? Because already scale is there. So actual crank length is the 4 centimeter. Now you have to draw the 2 centimeter length. 2 centimeter length. Now you may also get the B. You may also get the B. So A, D, B, all are known here. Now going to find the C. So how I identify the C value? So simply, just you have to take the compass. Why? Because AD and BC, so AD and BC are equal lengths. So that means just take the compass, and arrange the distance of 7.5 centimeter. Why? Because original is 15, but in our scale is there. So from the scale, we have to reduce the size. So that is the 7.5 centimeter. Just arrange the 7.5 centimeter and draw the one arc. Just cut the one arc. Just cut the one arc. Cut the one arc. Just cut the one arc. Cut the one arc with the with the 7.5 centimeter. Later, D is also known. So and CD length is there. Is there given CD length? So just you have to see the our problem. So CD length is also there. That is the CD. The length CD 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter oscillates about D. So 8 centimeter means again reducing the scale. So that is the 4 centimeter. Just arrange the distance of 4 centimeter to the compass and draw the arc. Again, draw the arc. So now you may also identify the new position of C. Okay, now you may also identify the new position of C. So this is the C here. This is the C here. So now we have to finish the our configuration diagram. Okay, from the problem description. From the problem description. So now any other database is there? Any other data? So that is there. Angular velocity, sorry, speed is there. The crank speed is there. That is the 120 RPM. So N equals to 120 RPM clockwise. So clockwise. So when we know the N value, when we know the N value, simply to find out the our angular velocity. So we have the relation. So omega equals to 2 pi n by 60. So omega is represented, okay, within the suffix. So that is taken as the BA, omega suffix BA. So why? Because the crank is represented with AB. Crank is represented with the AB. So omega BA equals to 2 pi n by 60. So just substituted the n value in our equation. So then simply to find the our omega. So that value is the omega BA equals to 12.56 radian per seconds. 12.56 radian per seconds. Now, when we know the our angular velocity of crank, so then simply to find out the velocity. So velocity of, okay, V suffix BA equals to omega BA into BA. Why? Because omega R. The formula is V equals to omega R. So omega is already there. BA means the length is there already. Crank length is there. Just simply to find out the our velocity of the crank. So that is the 0.5024. 0.5024 meter per seconds. Okay. So that is the our velocity of crank. Now the problem is, okay, to solve by the help of instantaneous center method. So when it is solved in instantaneous center method, so then what we do? So that is the first we have to identify the number of instantaneous centers. That is the capital N. That is the our capital N. So capital N equals to, what is the formula? N into N minus 1 by 2. So that is the 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. So that equals to 6. How many instantaneous centers are there for our particular mechanism? 6 instantaneous centers are there. Now we have to identify those instantaneous centers. That is the where the intersection of A and B. Where the intersection of, so this is the A is there and B is there, okay. Sorry, just you have to take the our links. Take it the links. 1. This is the 3. This is the 4. 4 links are there. Okay. Now, what is the value of this one? So this is the 1 and 2, intersection of 1 and 2. I12. Okay. I12. I12. Okay. And this one, 2 and 3. B position at the B. So that is the I23. I23. And this one, I34. I34. and D position I14, I14. Okay, I14. So how many instantaneous centers are identified now? So 4. What about the other? What about the other? So in this, just observe that when we are extension of link 1, so just extending the our link 1. So that is the our just just extends our link 1. Okay. Next extension of link 3. Extension of link 3. So that is the okay. And similarly to extension of our link 4, our link 4, link 4, just extension of link 4. Okay. And extension of link 2, extension of link 2. Just observe that. Okay. So when we are extension of our 1 and 3, so you may also achieve the another instantaneous center. And when we are extension of link 2 and 4, you may also to achieve the another instantaneous center. So now you are also giving the okay. Now you may also give the so this is the I 13 I13 and this one is the I24 I24. Just all of you observe that. So how many instantaneous centers are right now? So 6 instantaneous centers. So in this, 2 are identified. Okay. So by the help of our okay these links. So just all of you observe that. So how we consider as the this one is I13. So just you will observe that. So you observe the our this instantaneous centers. I34 is there and I14 is there. I34 and I14. And similarly I12 and I23. So what is the common term is there? 2 is cancellating here. Then it may also represented 13. And in this also same. 4 is common is there. So just cancellating the 4. The remaining term is I13. So this is the our I13. And similarly to consider as the this one. So this okay, I23 and I34. So common one is the our, just observe the our, okay, just observe that. So I23 and I34. In this, the common one is the 33. So we are also neglecting the 33, and the remaining symbol is the, okay, mention, okay, the remaining symbol is represented here, I24. So those are the instantaneous centers are there for our particular 4-bar chain mechanism. Now what we do? Okay, now what we do? So in this, so what the determining values are there? So that is the our, any determining values are there. Find the angular velocity of the link CD. Angular velocity of link CD. Just you have to find out that this angular velocity, link CD angular velocity. But you may know the only our AB angular velocity or BA angular velocity. So when we know that, so then you may also consider as the this one. So that is the our, okay, VB by I13, VBA by I13B equals to VCD by VCD by VCD by I13C. Just you have to take the particular formula. So that is the simple formula. Okay. So just that is the capital V BAY VBA by I 13 I 13 B equals to VCD by VCD by I13C. So just all of you observe that. So what we have to find here? So that is the BA is already known, and unknown is the this one CD. CD is the unknown. That also consider as the this one. Okay, VBA by I13. So this is the, okay, common instantaneous center for the both the links. So that is the I13 is there. So that's why we may also consider as the that value. Okay, how much of distance? Okay, to the particular links. So that is the VBA by I13B equals to VCD by, so this VCD by I13C. So in this, just you will measure the value of VBA already known. VBA is how much? 0. Okay, so 0.524 divided by I13B. Just measure the value. And the one of the important thing is there, scale is also there for our diagram, particular diagram. So scale is also there. So that is the I13B. Some, for example, it may also comes 10 centimeter or 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter means 11 into 2. Why? Because we are also reducing the size. 11 twos are 22. 22 centimeters. That is the 22 centimeters. So we may also, okay, place it the our meters. So that is the 0.22 equals to VCD is unknown. So that is the VCD divided by I13C. So this distance is, okay, this distance is, for example, 8 centimeter. 8 into 2, 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter means 0.16. Okay, 0.16 meters. Just you may also convert it into the meters. Now you will find out the unknown. So that is the VCD equals to VCD equals to, so how much? What is the value? Just okay, calculate the value. So that is the 0.524 divided by 0.22 into 0.22 into 0.16. So that is the 0.4192 nearly. So 4192 nearly to come. Then 0.4192 has to arrive here. So later, but we will find out the omega CD. Omega CD. So that is the our omega CD value is required. So omega, so that is the CD equals to VCD by VCD by CD. So that means omega CD equals to VCD is the 0.4192 divided by how much of link length of CD? 8 centimeter. So that means 0.08. So that is the our divided by 0.08. 5.24. 5.24 is the radian per second. So that is the our angular velocity of link CD. Angular velocity of link CD. Angular velocity of CD. So similar way you have to identify the unknowns here. So if you want to find out the, okay, if you want to find out the our BC link next time, so you may also follow the same procedure. BC link. Okay, BC link. Do you understand the problem? Please raise the queries. How to identify the unknowns by the help of instantaneous center method is very important.